Good morning, all of you children. This is the second part in lesson the tattered blanket children. So, in previous class, we discussed about how that is the what is the Gopi. Okay, uh, towards Gopi, how mother is reacting. How mother is responding towards Gopi. I mean. We talked about Amma's memory and Kamala worrying about Amma's mental condition. So all this we discussed in previous class, children. So I shall continue in this class next passage onwards, children. Okay. So I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. So this is the dialogue delivered by mother. So mother is telling that I shall terribly severely. So I will severely feel okay. I will get upset. Completely, I will get upset if I don't get letter from him. In this line, him refers to Gopi as children. So mother is telling that if I don't get letter from every day, if I don't get letter from Gopi every day, I will get completely upset. So mother is telling like that. But in fact, is she receiving everyday letter from Gopi? No, she did not. But Kamala is covering that by saying every day Gopi writes letters to her mother. Next, he know it. That's why he writes every day. So he know that I will get upset if he don't write letter. That's why Gopi knows everything. That's why every day he writes letters to me. She's telling that. She's telling like that. Who's telling? Amma is telling like that. Next, look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him, just as I told you. You know nothing about what is going on here. Do you? Do you? Yes. So Kamala is telling to Kamala turned towards Gopi and she is talking to Gopi that Gopi now this is the way she is talking every day. So I am what is that? I don't know what I want to do and you know nothing about what is happening here. You are nothing minding, you are nothing mind about Amma's condition. So you are living in Delhi with your family and you are neglecting our mother. So you don't know what is going on here. Do you means do you know? She questioned. Who questioned? Kamala questioned Gopi like that. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again, Amma is telling that this is, I think, fourth or fifth time. She is telling, who is there? Who is that in the car? Amma said to Kamala. It's me, Gopi, said. I had to come to Tiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Amma, it's me, I'm Gopi. He is also telling the fifth time. Amma, it's me, Gopi. Actually, I came to Tiruvananthapuram to attend meeting. On the way back, with intention, I dropped here. I get down the car here to look at you, Amma, to see you. Gopi said like that. Next. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? Mother, Amma is talking to his son Gopi like this. Who is your Amma? Where does she live? Is it far from here? So like that, Amma is talking to Gopi, own real son as children. But why is she talking like that? Because her mental condition is not well. Her memory is not well. Next. Then Gopi is replying that no, it's quite very near. So mother asked her, who is your Amma? Where does she live? Is it far from here? Mother asked like that. Then son is Gopi is replying that no, it's quite very near because she is very near to him now because they are talking themselves. Yes. They are talking each other. Sorry, they are talking each other. Okay. I don't know how. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Exasperatedly means annoyed, very annoyed. With irritation, she is telling. Who is telling? Kamala is telling to Gopi. How can I bring back her memory? I don't understand. So with irritation, Kamala said to Gopi, how can I bring back our mother memory? How can I make good her memory? So she is worrying about her mother's condition. Who is worrying? Kamala. Who is Kamala? Gopi's sister. Yes. Next. Gopi placed the briefcase on the tinna. On the tinna, he opened it and pulled out the contents, clothes, files, a shaving set. Yes, children. Then Gopi, what is that? Placed means kept. On tenna means sit out. That means open place. He kept. Okay. He kept the briefcase and he opened it and he pulled out. What he pulled? He pulled out the contents such as clothes, files, and shaving set. Shaving set. Children, remember clothes, files, shaving set. Next, Amma dialogue. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi. So a government officer. He has Kasari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Amma is questioning Gopi. She is questioning. Do you know my son Gopi? He is living in Delhi. He is a government officer. He has Kasari Yogam. Children, what is the meaning of Kasari Yogam? He is well settled. That is the language in Malayalam. I think the story has took place in Malayalam story. Okay, so my son. Yes, Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, right. So what is that? Sorry, continuation. So do you know my son Gopi? He lives in Delhi. He has Kasari Yogam. Kasari Yogam means well settled. He is a government officer and he draws every month 2,500 rupees. Do you know? So who is questioning whom? Mother is questioning to her son Gopi. Yes, I know him. He replied like that. Who replied? Gopi replied like that. Yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. I shall if I catch cold, does not leave me for a long time. Tell him to send me a blanket, won't you? A red one. Yes. So then he replied that I know your son. Then she is telling that tell to my son to send me a blanket because if I get morning time it's a cold mist, full of mist, foggy, full of mist. So if I catch cold once, it does not leave for a long time. That's why tell him to send me a blanket that is red one. Which color? Red. Do you? Won't you? That means will you say? Yes. So I had a blanket, the one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Yes, children. So, children, she is telling to Gopi, she is telling to him, tell him my son to send me a blanket. So, when he studied in Madras, Then he brought me a blanket. That one almost totally torn. It was like a, what is that? Yarn. Hmm. Okay, it is knotted yarn, like knotted yarn. It is not good for me to cover to hold my body. That's why tell him to send me a red blanket, new one. Tell him to send me a red blanket. Will you? Will you tell? So she questioned like that, like that. So she had already blanket. That is the blanket brought by her son, when he studied in Madras. But now it was totally torn. I shall tell him, he nodded. Nodded means shaken head. I shall tell him, he said like that. Hmm. Please don't forget to tell him the mist is not good for me. I think I shall stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. So once again she is telling strongly, don't forget to tell my son, for a long time I am sitting in your armchair. So there is a chance to get cold, so it is not good for me. So please don't forget to tell him to send me a blanket which is red one. Okay, armchair. Next, Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. Gopi's sister who? Kamala. Put her mother, she took her mother from the chair and she, what is that, made her, uh, she took to the bed and she made her mother sleep on the bed and she came back out of the home and she talked to her brother Gopi. What she said? What Kamala said to her brother? Uh, you did not come to see Amma. Did you? Did you come to see Amma? No, definitely. Kamala is telling to Gopi, definitely you did not come here to see Amma. Did you? Did you come to see? She questioned like that. Delhi is too expensive, you know. I have four children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help of. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of my family property. I came to talk it over with you. Abba, what a relation. He's completely neglecting his mother. Now he came to get share of his property. Where are relations? Okay, children. So whatever it may be, now he is telling Kamala asked him, definitely you did not come here to look to see Amma. Did you come to look to see Amma? So she questioned. Then he is telling children, what he is telling, Delhi is too expensive. I am living in Delhi, so everything is costly. Expensive means costly. So everything is costly. I have four children to look after, to take care of. Look after means to take care of. So I have four children to take care, to look after, to take care of the our children. So Delhi is too expensive. So if I sell and if I get money by selling share of my family property, it will be helpful for me nowadays. What is that? Nowadays to Nowadays it is difficult for me to meet both ends meet. That means to adjust with my salary. So my salary is not enough for me to lead dignified life in Delhi. That's why nowadays it's great to stand one's status. That means I am good living good life. So this life I have to continue. So like that he is talking, children. So whatever it may be, Delhi is too expensive, so my salary is not enough, that's why I came here to sell my family share of my family property. So to talk over it, to talk about it, I came here. So she talked like that. Sorry, he talked like that. Is it correct, children? It's not at all correct. Relations are important than money. Money nowadays it is with you, tomorrow you may lose. Okay, we can't say, but relations we should not lose, children. Once if we lost our relations, it's difficult to get again. Next, you will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here one more after that. So then Kamala is telling, okay, you will sell your land, and with that money you will go to Delhi, and again you will not come again here. I know it. So don't say that I shall come when I get time. You'd never, with if you go with money once, you never come here again. But please don't tell I shall come when I have time. Please don't tell like that. So your time, he saw the irritation on his sister's face. He saw the irritation on his sister's face. In the above line he refers Gopi. She is speaking to Gopi with irritation. So it took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now, so I don't think she will pull on much longer. So it took you so long to visit her after the last time. Yes, so after 5 years you came here again. So it took for you 5 years to see to come here. So once if you go with money, you never come. I hope definitely you will never come here. So Amma is what is the age? Amma is 83 now. So she can't pull. That means she will not continue. She will not live for a long time. So definitely once you go, you can't come back once again. So she's talking to Gopi like that. Next. But Amma can't remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. Feebly means weakly. What is that? Mockingly he is telling. But Amma, she don't recognize me. So he is mocking like that. He is speaking in such a way. Then Kamala seriously told that is the last line, children. But do you remember your Amma? She questioned like that. Kamala questioned Gopi. Okay, mother mental condition is not well, that's why she can't recognize you. But your mental condition is super. But why do you remember your mother? Excellently she questioned. Yes, it is true. Her mother condition is not well, that's why she can't recognize. But what happened to him? He completely neglected his mother. Okay, children. So children, at first I told you how this title is given. So children, what is that? Suppose when a blanket, when it becomes old, what will happen? It's torn. So it's not at all useful. We can't cover completely, okay, because there is a hole somewhere torn. Okay, so how the old black tattered blanket, it's not at all useful. Like that, the old people nowadays, the people, their sons, daughters, they are treating the old people in such a way. How the old tattered blanket is not at all useful. So in the same way, they are treating old people, their parents. So that's why they, what is that? They are given that title. What is the title? The tattered blanket. How it is not at all useful when it is torn. So like that, they are treating their parents like useless. Day by day relation degrading children. Day by day relations are degrading children. It is not at all good children. So our culture is transmitting from one generation to another generation. So it is our responsibility to continue it. So if we neglect our parents today, definitely in the future our children neglect us. Is it or not? So it should not be done like that in the future. We have to follow the tradition what our elders continued. So the tradition we should continue. So we have to take care of to continue same culture by our children also. Okay, children, this is the class for today. With this, the first lesson, the tattered blanket, is completed. Thank you.